11th of August.
मतलब
It commences 11th of
11th of August. Grateful.
Serial number 26, along with connected case, Shri Vinayak Shah, Shri Parag Tiwari.
In this case, my lord, I have challenged the MP State Service Examination Rule 2015 of Rule 4, my lord. That rule, my lord, prohibited the reserve category candidate to be selected against unreserved post, my lord. The reply of state is awaited, my
Your
lord.
Lordship, in this case, the reply has been prepared, Manoj. It has also been uploaded in the ERP, Manoj, and we'll be filing it in course of the day.
Learned Counsel for the state submits that the reply is ready and shall be filed within 2 days. You wish to file a rejoinder?
Yes, my lord. I will read, my lord. अगर जरूरत होगी तो मैं फाइल करूंगा पढ़ने के बाद.
All right. Let the reply be filed within 2 days. Rejoinder, if any, be filed within
Within 2 weeks, my lord.
within 2 weeks. List after 2 weeks.
Manoj, may I make a
IR may kindly be continue, my lord. The IR.
Sorry.
IR may kindly be continue, my lord.
Interim relief to continue.
What is the interim relief? What is the interim relief?
That will not the further proceeding administered by this honorable court, my lord, for conducting the main examination.
Sorry. What is the stay order?
That will not the further.
Result shall not be declared.
Yes,
That has already been declared.
Yes.
But that has already been declared.
that has been already declared, then result has already challenged in the second petition, my lord. Then honorable court has stated the further proceeding of men's examination.
The order dated 25/3 months. By that order, there was a direction that the main examination of the recruitment in question shall not be conducted without the permission of this court. For this, my lords, I filed an application for vacating this stay, my lords, because, my lords, at the time of hearing in this, while this order was passed, my lords, 25/3.
This is again that you see there is this 24% or 14% reservation issue.
This is not.
This issue is not involved in this case, my lord.
This is
May I
different.
make a very humble-
No, please see the connected petition.
The connected petition.
1144/2025, order dated 15/4/2025 in that.
15/4, my lord, the result produced by the PSC, my lord. This is written by this honorable court, my lord. The perusal of the order dated 2/4/2025. The respondent number 2 has produced the result of the
Again,
preliminary.
it talks of that will be subject to outcome of OBC reservation 27% or 14%.
My lords,
Yes.
may I?
result बनाया है.
Is there not an embargo by the Supreme Court on hearing these petitions then?
No, no, no. No, I have challenged the rules as well as the result. The cutoff list has not declared category wise. And this result declared before this honorable court, my lord.
It was preliminary
Preliminary examination, my lord.
exam.
Yes, my lords, may I make a very humble submission, my lords, clearing the whole situation, my lords. What happened in this case, my lords, we declared the results. My lord, they challenged the result by saying that we have not declared the category-wise cutoff, and, my lords, they made an allegation, my lords, a vague allegation, that, my lords, we have not allowed the reserved category candidates, meritorious reserved category candidates, my lords, who have scored more than the unreserved category in, my lords, unreserved seats. We have not allowed them, my lords. But, my lords, it was done. It was on the next date, my lords, on the order dated 15/4, maybe.
15/4/25.
In order dated 15/4, my lords, we produced the whole data, my lords, in which it was clarified that, my lords, so and so number of reserved category candidates have been considered against unreserved seats, my lords. But this is nowhere related to 14 and 27% reservation to OBC, my lords. This is nowhere related to that. It is only the contention of the petitioners that, my lords, we are not allowing the reserved category candidates against the unreserved seats. But, my lords, the
So
logic.
there is no interim order in these proceedings anymore.
Order. There is no interim order.
There is no interim order. That interim order was not to declare result. Result is declared. No, there is no embargo on the state proceeding.
There is an order, my lords. After that, my lords, this honorable court, my lords, passed this order dated
When further order?
2/4. My lords, 2/4, order dated 2/4/25 may be seen, my lords. The main examination of the recruitment in question shall not be conducted without the permission of this court. For this direction, my lords, I filed an application for vacating stay. My lords, by placing all the contentions, my lords, this matter is covered by the Honorable Supreme Court in two very detailed judgments, my lords. I quoted those judgments in vacating stay application, my lord.
This was when the result had not been produced.
No, my lords.
2-4,
Yes.
respondent are directed to bring the result of the preliminary examination mentioning therein how many candidates belong to which category.
Yes, my lords.
Now that you produced and 15-4 court looked at it, examined it, and then there is no continuation of an interim order.
There is no interim order after that.
And don't say interim relief to continue, just say list and so and so.
My lords, may I make a very humble submission, my lords? My lords, the dates of the main examination were in the month of June, my lords. Now, my lords, it is almost July is over, my lords. I am praying, my lords, a very small permission that, my lords, we may be allowed to continue with the preparation of that
Where
exam.
is the embargo?
My lords, this order dated 15-4, order dated 2-4, my lords.
2-4 was to produce the result pending which no now court has looked at the result and not continued the order.
Last 4 lines may be seen of that order, my lords. Last 4 lines only, my lords.
Yes.
The main examination of the recruitment in question shall not be conducted without the permission of this court. My lords, I agree that this was not continued after this. This was not continued in.
So when is your examination proposed now?
My lords, now the examination was to be conducted from 9th June, my lords. After that, my lords, we declared, we published the notification that this is stayed till further orders, my lords.
File an application seeking permission.
My lords, I filed an application for vacating stay.
Vacating stay is a different thing. File an application seeking permission due of the court for.
May I make a very humble submission, my lords? My lords, this examination, my lords, is to be conducted for the topmost posts of the state, my lords. My lords, after this order, we produced the whole result. In that, my lord, everything was clarified that there are 690 candidates, my lords, against the 87% seats, my lords, 690 candidates of the result category who have been included in the.
Say you move an application, give your proposed schedule of examination, we'll consider it.
My lord, this may
The
be.
counsel for the respondent submits that in the meantime, respondent shall be filing an application producing the schedule of the proposed mains examination or seeking leave of this court to conduct the same.
Lords, may I make a very humble submission, my lords?
Yes.
Lords, it is observed that the moment I file that application, the matter may be listed, my lords, because it is.
So you file it and mention it, we'll take it up.
मेरठ गवर्नमेंट के रिप्लाई के पहले मेरठ जब तक उसको वैलिडिटी हमने चैलेंज या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैलिडिटी अंडर चैलेंज मतलब रूल की, तो जब तक रूल्स की वैलिडिटी डिसाइड नहीं हो जाती मेरठ तब तक ये इसको
पहले उनकी एप्लीकेशन तो आने दीजिए,
ठीक है
अब देखेंगे उसको.
Lords, this is very important, my lords. This may be listed, my lords, at an earlier date, my
You
lords.
move your application and we'll consider it. You bring the schedule that you are proposing,
Yes,
we'll
my lords.
consider it.
My lords.
Serial number
मेरठ
27.
एक निवेदन था 31 नंबर मैंने विड्रावल के लिए एप्लीकेशन लगा मिला आइटम नंबर 31 पे 2 केसेस है मेरठ